I'm just ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down, she know I like it better when the top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now. No surprise, I know why I'm getting money, yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. These designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750, we talk Pacifics. That Rolls Gold compliment.
So I'm soaking sweat. I just tilled. Well, I tilled. It's plowed. And let's go take a look. Let's take a look. I'm about to tell y'all the surprise though. Check what I'm about to do out after them. Let me show you these rows first though. So I done hand plowed 5 rows. So we're gonna drop some more vegetables down there. I mean, look at these okra. These okra in this first row is going crazy. I'm trying to plant like, I want to plant like 2 more rows of okra. This okra, and that's okra right there. There's one coming up over there. But I love okra. I ain't gonna lie, I love okra. I actually got some okra somewhere back here that's supposed to be coming up at some point. I'm trying to identify the buds when they first pop out, because I can't tell yet, but they're gonna be coming up too. Anyway, peppers, you see we showed y'all the peppers in the last one. They looking good too, but I'm gonna put the tarp over here. I might flatten out these 2 rows and just make a platform and start dropping all them freaking seedlings that I got sprouting in the house, because I got so many seedlings, and just start dropping all that lettuce in the ground, because I got more than I'm gonna need. Watermelon again. You see the watermelons going. So far we still got what? 1 right there. We got 1 on the end of this one. And then we got 1 on the end of that one. Let's see if we still got 1 trying to come out over here yet. I guarantee 1 gonna be on this end of this one at some point. On the end of that one, and it's gonna be 1 I'm almost sure gonna come out off of this one too. But anyway, the reason for this video, show y'all what I'm about to plant. Cool, I'm still trying to cool down. Of course, I sprayed myself with a little water too, but it's mainly sweat. So I'm cutting up off of this molded strawberry, and I'm cutting pieces like this. Literally, look at that. This one piece got what, like 12, 14 seeds in it, and I'm just dropping them on the dirt, and I'm gonna throw the dirt over top of them, and we're gonna grow a whole strawberry plant. I done did most of these already. I gotta put 1 right here, 1 right there. But just to show y'all, man, how easy this really is. You really just come in here, coming down the strawberry, just slicing off a piece like that full of seeds, and just dropping it in the dirt. This old molded strawberry, 1 strawberry full of seeds. I'm gonna even come back around and drop a little more in some of these, just to have some backup. Might even be able to make 2 of them start springing off in one of these pots. Let's put them in a couple little spots. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to make two buds in each pot, in each little pot. And we gonna come back and check on the progress of this over the next few weeks. And see how we doing. I'm about to make some strawberries grow. I got two. Put 2 over there. I think I got 3 in that one. Oh well. But 1 strawberry though, man. 1 strawberry. 1 strawberry. Strawbezel. A little mess, but look. Throw the dirt on top of that. I'm gonna spread these out. They're too close. I'm gonna try to put like 1 on each side of the pot. Which one I put a 3rd one in? I think I put a 3rd one. That's one right there. Yeah. Put a 3rd one in this one. I'm gonna put that 2nd one over here on different side of the pot. And we gonna just kind of throw a little dirt on. I'm actually gonna shovel a little more dirt in on each one. I got plenty of dirt down there in that little pot down there. And we're gonna make these strawberries come to life. Gonna give them life. Life, you hear me? Yeah. That's how we gonna do that, man. Yo. Get this out of here. Get out here, weed. There we go. Put him a little close to the top. Look at that. All these strawberries. Literally just 1 strawberry I cut up. I thought I was gonna cut up more than that, but I really don't need to. 1 strawberry. I got 2 plants in each one of these pots. And we're gonna monitor them. I'm gonna go sit them over there on my little top. My little tin top over there. So they can collect their little watering. And we're gonna watch these and monitor these over the course of the next few weeks, you know. So that's all. A little short video, just kind of show y'all what we doing, what we got working over here. Cause whenever they start sprouting up, y'all gonna come right back to this video like, oh, that's the video he did it in right here. Yep, that's it. I told y'all. Tried to tell y'all. Next, I gotta put some more seedlings in the hydroponics, man. I'm telling you right now, man. This kale, cause we was trying to balance the system out a little bit yesterday, or the day before yesterday, and I can already tell, man, this kale freaking taking good. I gotta drop some more seedlings in, cause a lot of this got flooded out. Still gotta cover up all these unused ones to slow this algae down, cause this algae is rapidly changing my pH, which is another problem. And I mean the rest of these kales, but these kales are resilient. A couple of lettuces coming up. Most of these done. Most of these died. Yeah, most of them died. I gotta replant a lot of that stuff, man, cause I didn't even pay attention, but the algae growth was coming in hard, and it was changing my pH, and I wasn't monitoring it fast enough, and it freaking made a lot of them plants just die out. The seedlings die out and just drown. I got what you call it when that kind of just sits in the water without growth. It kind of like deteriorates. So anyway, do some more planting on that, and then I'm gonna get this garden covered up with the little tarp. Put the tarp on top of it over there for the first probably 3, maybe 4 rows, and the last one I might kind of flatten down and just start throwing a lot of them lettuce sprouts in there and let them go to town. Cause them seedlings is going crazy in the house, man. I'm telling you right now. We got them like folded in the. You saw in the video when I had the paper towels, and they folded in between the paper towels. But the paper towels, the seeds was put in between one piece of paper towel that was folded over. Literally, that paper towel has lifted up and separated. You can look in between it and just see a bunch of freaking seeds standing up, and the roots are growing through the bottom of the paper towel. So I gotta throw that whole thing on the ground, man. So anyway, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned in, more videos again. Deuce. That was a little chicken wing on. Deuce.
Click that button. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Just click it. Click it right now. Yeah.